how to view image of cleared checks in Discover Bank online banking on desktop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to see a copy of a check you wrote, well here is how to view clear check image in Discover Bank online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Discover Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Discover Bank. Now here you simply have to log in using your credentials and once logged in from your account dashboard, you have to select the checking account where the check was issued. So there you can scroll through your recent transactions or use filters to find the clear check and there you can click on the check transaction to open the detail page and there you'll see an option to view the check image from front and back for the verification and there you can also download or print the check image for your records if needed. And that's it. That's how you can view image of clear checks in Discover Bank online. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.